Hi, you guys. It's Lisa. I just wanted to stop in and do a quick unboxing. This is a tablet that I got, Feonal. I'm not sure. It's an Android tablet. And I'm going to open it up and show you what I got, and then I'm going to work with it for like a week, and I'll stop back and let you know what my thoughts are for the tablet. So go ahead, I'm going to show you what it is. Android tablet. Here is just opening it up. I wanted to get a new tablet. Mine was not holding a charge. Here's something that came in the box, and here's the actual tablet. Okay, brand spanking new. I'll get everything out here. Pieces. And what's really cool is that this tablet comes with a little keyboard. How cool is that? So again, I'm going to do a little review on this. I am just home now for a week from a vacation. I went to visit my relatives in Florida. No, I'm sorry. I was in Texas. And unfortunately, Dan's uncle had a really bad cold when we were there. So he was kind of down and out, which was quite sad. Up here this says this sticker helps to remove the mask from the screen guard. So here I go ahead and pull this off. This sticker helps remove the mask from the screen guard, and I believe it goes like this. And then like this. Yeah, we're getting it. So far, so good, huh? Sometimes it can be very intimidating, I think, anyways, to get a new device. So here I go. That's this green saver type thing on here. Just gonna get the bubbles out. You can see me in the reflection. I am in the midst of also choosing someone to redo my website, which is very exciting. I'm also in the middle of working on some new classes at a new venue in Minnesota, which is exciting. Okay, so that goes like that. I believe this is going to go into the holder like this because of the camera thing there. I can figure that out. That's good. Let's see what this says here that we need to do. On, off, power. Power on. Press and hold the power button until the LED screen turns on. Select your language and set up your tablet following the start guide. Okay, so I'm going to do that off screen here, and then I'll come back and let you know how that went. But look at how cute this is, this little keyboard. And here in the box are the pieces that it comes with. It comes with a little mouse, adorable, charging cord, of course, a little tool of some sort, another part of the charging cord, an adapter, and it looks like a pen to work on it. Okay, so let me just get the basics set up so I don't waste your time, and I'll come right back, okay? So back in a minute.